I've broken down all of the stats for BTCCoin, and I'm sad to say that the free options are low tier at best. But the paid options, while in my opinion risky, are mathematically actually pretty decent. So I'll break that down into detail. But first let's go over the paid ads so I can show you what we're dealing with that. So I found out that when you click the claim button and then watch 10 ads, you'll end up with about 1.9 sats. And to show you how I got 34.5 sats per day per terahash per second, is I took 1,000, which would be 1 terahash, and divided it by 55, which would be the equivalent of watching 10 ads. This comes out to 18.18. So I times 1.9 times 18.18, and it came out to 34.5. And with no context of how much this terahash costs, 34.5 sats per day is really good. And with the current buy one get one promotion, the miner prices really aren't out of control. But as far as using this as a free user, watching 10 ads for 1.9 sats is just not worth your time in my opinion. And you can reset this every 4 hours, so you can hit claim again and watch another 10 ads. But think of it this way, say you watch 40 ads in a day, you're going to earn 8 sats. Really a waste of your time. Now that I have these accurate stats, I can break down each miner option and show you how much they get at, you can see Bitcoin prices of 100,000 up to 200,000. And I've also broken this down on how much this will earn you a day as well as over a year. The $10 miner gives you 13.8 sats a day, 5,037 over a year, and you'll see that if Bitcoin hits 200,000, you'll make your return on investment in a year. And generally as the miner prices go up, you get a little bit better of a deal. So like if you were to buy two $10 miners, you would get 800 gigahash. If you just bought the $20, you're going to get 820. Anyways, the $20 miner gives you 28.3 sats per day and 10,337 per year. And even at 100,000 Bitcoin price, you're still going to get over a 50% return on investment. So as long as there's not any major changes to this app, it looks like it's pretty productive so far. The $50 miner gives you 76 sats per day and 27,735 per year. And you can see the ranges go from $27.74 up to $55.47 based on a price of 100,000 to 200,000. The $100 miner gives you 152 sats per day and 55,471 sats per year. The $150 miner gives you 242 sats per day and 88,249 sats per year. The $200 miner gives you 352 sats per day and 128,480 sats per year. The $250 miner gives you 414 sats per day and 151,285 sats per year. And finally, the $300 miner gives you 504 sats per day and 184,063 sats per year. And you can see once you get to these higher miner prices that even at 100,000, you're looking at a 60% APR. But really, even with decent investment stats, this is a clone of the Blue Bitcoin mining app. They show zero proof of them having ASICs miners, there could be offset ads in the future, and they can change the app without any notice, and most of their updates will probably be in the negative side. So I urge you, please be careful about investing into this. I would give you an account update, and you can see like the Bitcoin I have now, I have like 4,119, and you can see the withdrawals on the left. So I could give you an update of my account, but it really wouldn't be accurate. When I first got this app, I bought 1.6 terahash per second, and it's been earning me around 260, 280 sats per day. But if you come back and look at like the $50 miner, which is 2.2 terahash per second, this is earning you 76 sats per day. And I can't make any sense of it. But I didn't want to show you my account and show you how fast I'm earning my return on investment and make you feel like you're going to earn as fast as I am. The best thing about BtcCoin is that the withdrawals are free. The maximum withdrawal is only $4,500, but if you're a small investor, that should be plenty. So let's do a quick tutorial to withdraw to a speed wallet from BtcCoin. On the bottom left, hit receive, and I have about 4,000 sats. So let's enter 4,000 where it says enter amount, and then copy our invoice. Head back to BtcCoin and click withdraw on the top right. Now input 0.00004 for 4,000 sats, and then paste our invoice. On the bottom, hit withdraw, and it'll take about a second to go through. And it's as quick as that, 4,000 sats. It's right to my speed wallet, and it went through that quickly. And as long as this app doesn't require ads, I'd say this app is above average for investors. But this is only going to be while the buy one get one promotion is available. As soon as that goes away, this won't be worth investing in at all. But remember that this app could change at any point, so investing at all is very risky. And as far as watching ads go for sats, like I said before, complete waste of time. If you do end up using BTCCoin and want to help out the channel, please use the referral code that you see on the screen. It's ACHJKA. It's completely free. And if you have a friend who uses BTCCoin and they put your code in, everything that they buy after they put your code in, you'll receive a 10% bonus for. And I just want to thank everybody who's put my code in so far. It helps me get out these videos faster, and I truly appreciate it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to break down these videos and show which ones are worth your time. As always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.